Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the lip syncing feature on CapCut PC. If you go to the very right, there's an AI avatar which you can use. So basically, you can upload your own in like the My Avatars. You can create with either a video or a photo. But I'm just going to use one from CapCut. Again, you can upload your own. So I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to select next. I'll also turn on the audio a little bit. What? Okay. So here you can enter your script. I'm just going to be like, hey, I'm going to give you guys a voucher, whatever. I don't know. A code. Wait, no. I'll type in like, you know what? I'm just going to leave it as is. Also, you're just going to select the voice as well.
Hey, I'm going to give you guys a voucher.
So when you're done, you're then going to just select generate. It does take a few minutes to add. Then I'm just going to select apply. So one moment please, it's applying, so just be patient. And then it's going to basically say that like text that you just typed, I guess. I'm just waiting. It does take a few minutes, especially if your text is longer than mine. Even if I just said like, hey, I'm going to give you guys a voucher, it does take a long time. Okay, it's finished. I don't know. Okay, here is what the video will look like.
Hey, I'm going to give you guys a voucher.
As you can see, her lips like move as like the same audio, at the same audio. I don't know. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.